Hey, Cutter. Been a while, hasn't it? Alright. Now, be a little careful with this ship. She's been giving us some grief. Found her floating with no one aboard and no distress signals. Manifest's been completely wiped. It's like they took a long walk and never came home. Just keep an eye out, alright? Don't think any little green men are gonna come jumping out at you, but there might be, some leftovers of the crew. We've out.
Balance deposit accepted. Credits transferred. Airlock pressure levels dropping. Airlock pressure levels increasing. Air pressure level decreasing. Airlock pressure levels dropping. Airlock pressure levels dropping. Air pressure level decreasing.
Alright, Cutter. I'm seeing what you're seeing. Looks like whatever happened here wasn't good. Try to take as many of them helmets back as you can. We'll see if we can recover some data and try to figure out what's going on.
Okay. Right. Recording this, and then I gotta stash it. Someone has boarded us. Don't know who yet. They hit us with, I don't know, it must have been an EMP or something. Every ship system went down. Then they booted it all back up when something just grabbed us. I could hear the clamps. I heard them cutting in through the hull. Now, if they are bandits, they are a hell of a lot more sophisticated than anything we have run into before. They took over all our systems. Doors are locked and overrides are disabled. The comms are offline. They turned off the damn lights and we are trapped in the dark. And I can hear them in the walls. Oh no. They are in the next room. Please, whoever gets this, tell Harold Lamar on IO Way Station 9. Ted loves him.
Now, Cutter, I was gonna mention these. You see those weird nodes? Lynx doesn't want them, and they don't seem to be responding to any method of deactivation. You got two ways of dealing with them. One, you burn them up with your cutting tool on the spot, or two, you chuck them in the furnace. There we go, Cutter. That's how it's done. Next one you see, just rinse and repeat.
Salvage secured. Credits deposited. Airlock pressure levels increasing. Airlock pressure levels dropping. Deposit accepted. Node terminated. Reactor meltdown detected. Urgent action required.
Time is winding down, Cutter. Dig deep and let's finish strong. Cutter, you gotta deal with them nodes. Burn them up or chuck them in the furnace.
Electric object unstoppable. Please remove. Node destroyed. Object cannot be salvaged. Please remove all artificial activity before salvaging. level decreasing.
Cutter, seems like the AI has gone all haywire in here. It's wreaking havoc on all the ship systems. Keep your nose down and your eyes up, Cutter. Well, Cutter, looks like you have fully exorcised this vessel. Should be safe to salvage now. All right, Cutter, wrap it up. You got about a minute left.
Salvage secured. Credits deposited. Deposit accepted. Credits transferred.